Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix cannot play video codec not supported. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue cannot play the video codec not supported, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to tap on the settings, scroll down a little bit, tap on the apps, tap on the see all apps. Here you have to find gallery. In some mobile you will find as gallery, in some mobile it will show as album. First we will see gallery. You can see gallery is not there, then you will find album. You can see your album, just tap on the album. Once you tap on the storage and cache, just tap on the clear cache, then go back, tap on the permissions. Guys, you need to allow all the permissions. If in your mobile if permissions are not allowed, then you need to allow one by one all the permissions. After allowing all the permissions, then go back, tap on the notification. Here also you need to allow all the permissions, then go back. Hope your problem will be fixed. If still you are facing the issue, then you need to open the Play Store. Then here you need to download MX Player or VLC Media Player or Play It Media Player. These are multiple video player which will support your video files. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix cannot play video codec not supported. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.